Hey everyone, so I'm starting off with stretched hair and just detangling before I start. For the back section, I'm going to be just doing a few parts straight across. So right now I'm doing my first part. Here I'm just using my handheld mirror just to see the part in the back, just to make sure that it's to my liking before I start doing any braiding. I didn't like how my part was looking in the back, so this is me struggling right now, trying to make it straighter than it was before. So the struggle got real when I tried to use my bigger mirror to see what I was doing from behind, and it slid off of my chair and it broke. So basically from here, I'm going to be trying to part my hair the best way I can using my handheld mirror and my camera. So bear with me if my parts aren't the best, but I'm doing what I can. So here now I'm just prepping my hair with some jam and getting ready before I start braiding. The way I'm going to be braiding my hair, because I'm not good at doing feed-in braids, I'm just going to be braiding my real hair and then adding a few pieces of the braiding hair just to make it long to hang from the left side. For the next two braids, I'm going to continue the same method that I did as the first braid and just braid them straight across. These are how my braids are looking so far on the back. They're probably not the straightest parts, but for right now, for what I need them for, I don't care. And this is my first time trying this, so you know, practice makes perfect, so we're gonna do this anyway. The way I want my braids to hang, I want them to hang from the left side, so I'm just gonna part my hair and braid it going around. I'm gonna just continue to braid that going around. As I get closer to the front, I'm not exactly sure how I want it to be, but for now we're just gonna keep doing some braids going around, and as I get closer to the top, I'll just freestyle. So far, I'm liking how it's looking, and this is majority of my hair done, and I'm towards the top now, and I'm just giving you a little slow-mo of what the back and the sides are looking like. I started recording this video a little late in the day, so I lost the sunlight, but we still got the job done, and this is what my hair is looking like after I'm done, and this is just a full like little 360 for you guys. To finish off now, I'm just greasing my scalp, and I'm using the Wild Growth hair oil. I've heard a lot about this product, so I decided to give my castor oil a break and try it out. I'm going to put some mousse in my hair just to sit down any frizz that I may have, and also because my hair is pretty tight and this will help loosen it up some. Now, I've explained to y'all before, I am so horrible at trying to do baby hairs or finessing edges, but I'm going to try my best. Now I'm just going to get my scarf and I'm going to lay my hair down and get ready for bed because I am tired and my head hurts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think about it, and yeah, till next time, bye. So we had to go and get a new mirror, and look what was waiting for me. Guys, say hey to YouTube.
Look what was waiting for me.
So this is going to be my new mirror.
And we're out.
Yeah.